Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel withdrawal on BetMGM. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are a couple of things that you can do. First is to check if your withdrawal is still pending by simply heading over and opening up the BetMGM app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, navigate to the wallet or cashier. Then once you're inside, select withdrawal section. Then if the withdrawal shows as pending, you have the option to cancel it. To cancel the withdrawal, simply tap on the pending withdrawal entry, then look for a cancel button or option which may say cancel or cancel request. Simply tap on that and confirm the cancellation. Once done, the funds will immediately return to your BetMGM balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.